Trimetazidine in heart failure. This is a scientific video which is based on research findings published in famous peer-reviewed journals and government reports. Please see the reference section available at the end of the video for source papers. Heart failure remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Despite decades of research and numerous drugs on the market, the long-term outlook for patients is still grim. But what if a metabolic modulator, used for over 40 years to treat angina, could change that? Today, we're exploring the promising role of trimetazidine in heart failure, its mechanisms, clinical findings, and future potential. Heart failure isn't just one condition, it's a complex syndrome caused by multiple pathological processes like myocardial hypertrophy, fibrosis, inflammation, and metabolic remodeling. Even with standard treatments, ACE inhibitors, beta blockers, diuretics, the 5-year survival rate remains worryingly low. Trimetazidine has been used in Europe for over 40 years to treat angina pectoris. But in 2000, researchers discovered something more. Unlike drugs that work by improving hemodynamics, trimetazidine works by optimizing cardiac energy metabolism. Specifically, it modulates beta oxidation to improve energy efficiency in heart cells. Trimetazidine does more than modulate metabolism. Research shows it reduces myocardial apoptosis, fibrosis, inflammation, autophagy dysregulation. It doesn't just help cardiomyocytes. It also shows antifibrotic and anti-inflammatory effects on non-cardiomyocytes. Clinical trials have shown that trimetazidine, when used alongside standard therapies, improves symptoms in patients with ischemic and diabetic heart failure. But here's the catch: most trials have been small-scale. Larger, multi-center trials are still needed to confirm its full potential. Here's where it gets really interesting. Heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, HFpEF, accounts for nearly half of all heart failure cases. But it's biologically very different from heart failure with reduced ejection fraction. Could trimetazidine help here too? There's an ongoing double-blind clinical trial investigating this very question. The results could open a new chapter in HF treatment. Trimetazidine isn't a miracle drug, but it's a promising adjunct therapy that targets a critical aspect of heart failure, energy metabolism. As research continues, we may soon have a low-cost, widely available tool to support millions suffering from heart failure. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others in the medical and scientific community. And hit the bell icon to stay updated on future discoveries in cardiovascular medicine.